Put the pan on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once warm, start cooking the garlic in the oil. Then you can start cooking the minced meat. Halfway through, add the spices: 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now let the mince cook in the spices while stirring constantly so that the mince is not lumpy and cooked and there is only a little mince water left. Add the 2 jars of pasta sauce. Stir and let it come to boil, stirring. Put the flame low and shimmer it until you have a desired consistency of sauce, not too thick and not too watery. Turn the stove off. First layer, add the mince.
Then add the grated cheddar cheese and grated mozzarella liberally. Then cut the mozzarella cheese ball in round slices, add them on top. Then add the lasagna pasta sheets to cover the first layer.
Second layer. Liberally add the white lasagna sauce on top of the lasagna sheets so they are covered with the white sauce. Then repeat the process above, add the mint sauce, then add the grated cheddar cheese and grated mozzarella liberally, then cut the mozzarella cheese ball in round slices, add them on top. Then add the lasagna pasta sheets to cover the second layer. Third layer. Liberally add the white lasagna sauce on top of the lasagna, then repeat the process above. Add the minced sauce, then add the grated cheddar cheese and grated mozzarella liberally, then cut the mozzarella cheese ball in round slices, add them on top. Then add the lasagna pasta sheets to cover the third layer if you would like. Otherwise, if you want, you can stop doing the layers, as I only do 3 layers. Now you can get it ready to put in the preheated oven. First, preheat oven to mark 6 or 180. Then handle with care, as the oven will be hot, and let it cook for 20 minutes or until the cheese is golden brown on the top if you are using fresh lasagna pasta. If you are using no pre-cooking lasagna sheets, follow the timeline of how long it takes for the sheets to cook and cook with those instructions. After 20 minutes in the oven, you have a very tempting famous Italian dish that's delicious. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and enjoy your meal. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment on how did you find the recipe.